Hey there, Corporate Misfits, and welcome to the series Mastering Kajabi in 21 Days. I'm so excited to share with you about how you can use Kajabi in your online coaching, your course creation, or membership business so that you can build a life of freedom and stop trading time for money. So if you are new around here, my name is Brittany Darrington, and I'm the founder of the Corporate Misfit community, and I help women to build their online business using platforms like Kajabi so that they can automate, create sales with ease, and ultimately build their courses and coaching business and sharing their expertise with their tribe. So in this series, we're going to talk all about how to use Kajabi inside and out, the perks of using Kajabi, and how it can really change your life. So if you have not tried out Kajabi yet, I do have a trial which supports this channel, and also you can get some amazing resources such as landing pages that we have designed for you, such as sales pages, thank you pages, opt-in, and also some registration and tripwire pages. In addition to that, you can get access to our mini training, which is our beta launch club, which allows you to learn how to launch an online course or a coaching business in just 30 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into what we're going to talk about in today's lesson. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. So I want to walk you through how you can increase your sales using Kajabi. So one of the things that I see happen often with a lot of the coaches and course creators that I work with is that they create their product and have one price and they put it out into the world. Well, they're missing out on so many other opportunities to increase their bottom line and also provide more value for their customers. So I want to walk you through how you can increase your sales with my 5 different ways within Kajabi. So the first one is to do a order bump. This is also known for a one-time offer if you are in the sales funnel world. So if you have been wondering, how can I increase my bottom line, and maybe I have other products that I can share with my customers, well, an order bump is a perfect way for you to do just that. So on the checkout page of Kajabi, you are able to add this order bump and also have a price associated, which will increase your bottom line if your customers decide they want to add that on. So one of the things that we do in our business is we provide templates for Kajabi to help you to get your website, your sales funnels up and going in no time. In addition to that product, on our checkout page, we offer a one-time offer to get our special marketing templates that are used on Canva to help you to be able to promote and get people back to your actual Kajabi platform. Now, this is a really great complement of a product because ultimately we know that our customers are struggling to get traffic and they want to be able to get more eyes on their products and services so that they can serve their audience with the utmost value. So this is a really great way for us to pair something that will really complement what they're already doing. Now, we like to include this at a low tier product, so it makes it easy for someone to say yes or no. Now, the next way that you can increase your sales on Kajabi is by having upsells. So there's a special feature in Kajabi in the offer section where you can actually include a bundle or some of your other coaching products or your programs and things along those lines to help increase the bottom line, as well as help to get your customers the results with the pain points that they have been dealing with. So maybe you have another program that is really great and pairs well with what it is they're already purchasing. Or maybe you have a coaching program where you provide some one-on-one services and it can also help them to get better results. Whatever the case is, I like to use the upsell as a higher tier product and allow people to make a decision on if they would like to get this product as more of a bundle versus having to buy it individually, which might be higher. Okay, so the next way for you to be able to increase your sales is to have multiple pricing on your sales page. So usually what happens, people will have a price that might have a payment plan, and they also have the regular one-time price. And so ultimately you're thinking to yourself, how can I add on more payment options to help increase my bottom line? So maybe you have a program that is not shared with the world right now, or maybe you'd be willing looking to do some additional group coaching or things along those lines for people who want additional support in what you're already offering. So I want you to think about, how can I add on a bonus that I can actually charge for and allow people to make a decision on if they want that. So for example, I like to offer things along the lines of, hey, we can do this one template for you. It's a DIY. You get this template and you can apply it and put it into your Kajabi account. And then we have another option where we will do the actual work for you. So we'll plug in a template for our customers. We'll get it all set up to look like the demo and ultimately let them take it from there so they don't have to waste any time doing that. That allows us to increase our sales for the people who don't have time to do it themselves. And also it allows people to make a decision. So I want you to think about, what can you offer to help your customers to be able to make a decision on which pricing they should go with and also be able to increase your bottom line. Whether you have a payment plan or a one-time price or an actual higher price, those three options can all live on your sales page and give your customers an opportunity to decide which one would be best for them. Okay, so the next way you can increase your sales on Kajabi is to have cross-selling in your actual portal. So after someone purchases from you, they're then going to be brought to your library. And this is a really great opportunity for you to utilize the sidebar in Kajabi, as well as some of the cross-selling that will be on the library portion of your particular members area. So why not go ahead and jump in and add some amazing products, things that you might have put in your Upsell or things that you were looking to use for your one-time offer order bump. I want you to think about, how can I provide more value? Because maybe your customers, they might have seen an order bump, they might have seen an upsell, but they weren't ready for it at that time. So this is a great way for you to cross-sell and provide those products again, or even offer one-to-one coaching and things along those lines to help you increase your bottom line and also be able to provide more value. All right, the last way for you to be able to increase your sales on Kajabi is to do email marketing. So after your customers join your program, you have something called an onboarding email sequence. This is a really great way for you to build a relationship with the person who just recently purchased and also be able to guide them throughout their journey in your program. Now, after they get to a place where they are comfortable, they're getting results, you can then take it to the next level and maybe offer some of the other products or services or even digital assets that you have that can help take things further along for them. So it's a really great way for you to continue the journey and also create a lifetime customer. Okay, they're corporate misfits. So let me know how you are increasing your sales on your platform, and I can't wait to see all that you accomplish.
Thanks so much for watching this video, and make sure you access your trial to Kajabi and those free amazing resources that we have for you, such as the pre-designed landing pages and the mini course on how to launch your first course in just 30 days. Okay, I'll see you in some of the upcoming videos.